Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam, a dual front and rear camera that captures everything in sharp 4K Ultra HD. Let's explore the features that make this dash cam truly exceptional. Starting with its dual-channel 4K Ultra HD resolution, the front camera records at a crisp 3840 by 2160 pixels, while the rear captures at 1080p. With a 150-degree wide-angle front view and a 140-degree rear view, you'll get comprehensive coverage of the road ahead and behind, ensuring you don't miss a single detail. One of the standout features is the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor with super night vision. Thanks to an f1.5 aperture in the front and an f1.8 in the rear, this dash cam captures clear and vivid footage even in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to blurry night recordings and hello to sharp and colorful night views. With ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, you can instantly transfer videos to your smartphone at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. Simply open the ROVE app, download, and share your videos with family and friends or on social media. Plus, you can manage settings and even update firmware directly through the app. The built-in GPS is a fantastic addition. It displays real-time speed and compass directions on the 3-inch screen and logs your route and speed directly onto the footage. Later, you can view your recordings with full GPS data using ROVE's free GPS player on your computer. This dashcam is packed with advanced features like motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, screensaver, emergency video lock, and support for up to a 512 gigabits microSD card. Plus, it comes with a 128 gigabits card right out of the box. Now, let's talk about its 24/7 parking mode. With 3 options, 1 frame per second time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection, it will record any incidents while your car is parked. You'll even get a voice alert the next time you start your car to inform you of any events that occurred during parking. In summary, the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam is a reliable choice for capturing clear, detailed footage of your journeys. With its 4K resolution, night vision, ultra-fast Wi-Fi, and custom parking mode, it's designed to provide you with peace of mind on the road and while parked. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing this dash cam, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.